Look at me! Hey kids, let's paint the dog in the picture with a different style. Take a piece of ice stick, dip it in thick color and make its impression on the dog's jacket. Use bright colors to make the dress beautiful. Color the remaining picture with crayons. The dog looks handsome now.